Hey guys, nice to see you. This is DGsole.cn. Welcome to check our website. And here you can catch a new shoes, the Air Jordan 12 Chinese New Year, with 3M materials, reflective. Here you can check the quality of this shoe. You can check this front to look at the toe box. Here you can catch the line on this part of the line and also the red Jumpman. And also look at this thumb. You can catch number 2, 3, and also here. This is the Chinese cost 12. Here you can catch it. Very nice stitching, and also check the another side. Looking at this side here. Catching this part, here you can catch the print, the Jumpman, and also the special part on here, and the stitching. Not only the white part, the whole white part, all 3M reflective, and here you can catch the shoelace tips, like the moose print. And here, look at the back. Check the back here. You can catch the number 23 and also the Jordan label on this back. Another side. And turn to the inner part. Here is the shoe laces tips, and also turn to the part here. You can catch the size tag, and also the Chinese 12. And the bottom. Carbon fiber here. Best quality. And now turn to another shoe. Now let's open the shoe and let me show you the box of it. Here you can catch the box number. You can call 20 or 12, both are okay. From this to here is 12, and from here to here is 20. The Jumpman, size tag, to the inner part, and also here you can catch on the paper. There's a Chinese here, golden Chinese here. And that's over. If you like it, please check our website DGsole.cn to get more detailed information about it. That's all for you. Thank you for listening. Bye.